Hello, I'm Linda,
And I'm Renee.
and we are the Mixed Media Art Journal artists. We are the collective DFW Bookmakers.
We wanted to thank you for letting us share our dream with you.
Our participation with Art Activate 2024 helped us share our love of mixed media art journaling and grow our tribe through the Dallas libraries. And we want to continue building this community of journal makers throughout the city of Dallas.
We have seen that our mixed media art journal workshops have benefited people of all backgrounds and abilities to explore their creativity, express their emotions, and share their experiences with each other.
We look forward to continuing growing this community of journal makers where they can share their stories with each other and the communities.
Mixed media art journaling is a great activity for anyone of all backgrounds and abilities. Mixed media art journaling involves using a variety of materials to create a visual and or written narrative. They can use their journals to tell stories about their lives, their families, their cultures, or anything else that is important to them.
We are going to continue with the 8 cultural themes we presented this summer in our 16 free classes in the Dallas Public Libraries, free of charge to underserved neighborhoods in the city of Dallas.
We will continue to explore different art techniques utilizing a variety of supplies that can be sourced at dollar stores, thrift stores, and recycle bins.
And we have tutorials available online for our students who are unable to attend classes in person, as well as the students who want to review materials at their own pace.
Our projects are designed to be simple introductions into journal making, with all supplies needed in a kit to take the stress out of pulling together supplies and give them more time to experience and enjoy creating the journals. We will show examples and guide our participants through the process of creating their unique journals. It is an activity that is accessible to people of all backgrounds and abilities, and it has many benefits for both physical and mental health.
We want to thank you for letting us share our dreams with you.
And we look forward to Art Activate 2025. We'd like to share some of the journals that were created through our workshops.
Yes, one of the first ones and ended up being the last ones, we did a couple repeats on some of our themes, was the faux Texas leather. So we took a brown paper bag you get from your grocery store and we showed them how to create faux leather.
This one we introduced book cloth to them, and this was made out of the sari silk placed on paper and that they were able to put on, and then we introduced them to jelly printing.
They loved the jelly printing.
They really loved
They
it.
didn't actually do the jelly printing, but they loved the different papers.
So this was from our Middle Eastern theme.
And this was our Latin American, and so we used motifs from and stencils from the areas of the country that the culture came from. This is another jelly print that was very popular.
And they love that button that you made.
Yes, they actually got to make their own button out of the fabric that was put on the paper.
So we got a little wild with Africa, with our African American theme, and we had the leopard print. We also had napkins that were zebra
and tiger.
And tiger.
I think they're back up there.
And they were shown how to take napkins and redesign their journal covers.
And one of our favorites was the mamagami. Mamagami is when you take paper and you actually knead it, and it becomes more fabric-like. They did get to try it at the end if they wanted to. We had all the supplies for them to try it, but they got to learn collage. We had some handouts about the history of collage, and they really enjoyed the collage. Remember,
Yes.
we kind of had to say, okay, we gotta think about wrapping this up, but they were so enthused in collage. And then we had again one of our nice jelly papers that we put on the inside. We've had so much fun doing this workshop, and we really look forward to doing it again, right?
Yes, we do.
It was so much fun. Thank you.
Thank you.